numbers right now that we have up there in the upper right. You'll see 609 people that we've reached with the 3650 experiment. We have 3,041 left for the year, and this gives us a visual indicator. Also, we have a daily record. We give daily report on how we're doing. Like for instance, yesterday we did some follow-up, and not a whole lot of work, but it was a little bit, and we keep track of it this way. Yesterday there was 1 hour prayer walking and one encounter where someone allowed us to talk to them, and we keep track of the pressure points on this side and the people we talk to on this side. So we added a total of 8 to our progress, which gave us 609 for yesterday. Now we're trying to set up this training room for actual work where they go out into the city and help us. This is our group that has been through the intro so far, and then they'll go through trust one source, accept one challenge, obey one principle, win one city, find one person, ask one question, teach one lesson, form one group, make one leader. And then this part will start to show where they do the practical out in the city, and also the doctrinal training and the small group training goes there. So what we're trying to do, Costell and I are working on a list, or a system, an assimilation system, where when we get names, like for instance the National Bible Reading Campaign we just had, that the Baptist Union did, we make a list, give everyone a number. Like here we have number 56, number 57, number 46, number 55. We'll give everyone a number, and then these people will be waiting for the second contact. And you'll see this list, this will go high. This whole wall will be covered with these sticky notes. And the idea is to give a visual on how much work needs to be done for the classes we're training. And then ultimately we'll integrate the church into this effort. Now once they respond and begin doing the lessons, the first 6 lessons will be kind of a way as a filter. Those names will come over here, and as of now in Braille we're not doing any level 3s. Now Florine is in Geminale and Borgano, but in Braille, in the city of Braille, we don't have any current work going on. We will soon. So those names will come over here. Now when they do begin to start the lessons and we feel like we've actually got someone interested in studying the Bible with us, their names will come over here, and we'll begin to track the progress of every, what we will call a participant in the National Bible Reading Campaign, of which now you can see there's 0. And then so we have 8 or 9 people we're training, and Costell and I have gone out. He's working on the list, the first, what you might call master list of contacts. And then we're just trying to figure out how we can assimilate that. This map, this kind of represents how in the past the teams have come in and given us 300 or 400 names to follow up on, where the churches didn't have the ability to do the level 3s, even though we had the ability to do the level 2s. In the future, what I want to see is the church doing the level 3s, the work here in the city, and then the teams coming and helping us do the follow-up. So the teams would be spending more time in homes and helping us get the 20 lessons done. So that's our goal, to go from a lot of contacts and almost no home studies to having a lot of home studies done by the American teams. So that means the work that they come and do will be expanding the work that's going on already by nationals, as opposed to drowning them with the tsunami of names that need to be followed up on, where no level 3s are happening. So the teams, this class and this training should resolve this problem, and in the future it should go from a lot of contacts to a lot of level 3s. That's what we're hoping for.